talk about this unit, you guys. I am loving how this hairstyle is looking. We're into my little swoop. This unit is from Sensationnel, and this is part of their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig collection. And I have this in the style Morgan in the color number 1. Now, this unit is not new at all, and I don't know why. Once again, y'all, sometimes I be so late. Like, I don't understand why I haven't had Miss Morgan in my life, because she is bomb. So a few details of this unit is that this lace is an HD lace, so it looks super natural. Do y'all see my side part? You know, what I do love about their hairline is that if you're really not into baby hair, you can honestly just push it back and don't use it at all, and you don't even have to cut it. Just, you know, put a little mousse and brush that bad boy back, and then you're good to go. So this is an ear lace, and this is a 3-part unit, so you could part the frontal any way you would like. And as you guys see, I originally had it in the middle, but then I decided I wanted to do something different and decided to switch over to the side, and she looks super cute this way. And she definitely has a lot of room. So this unit is definitely big head friendly, because I had this adjusted on the last notch and I feel like it can still be tighter. So she fits really nicely. So I don't have a stocking cap on. Normally I always wear a stocking cap, but because so it's very dense, you're gonna see this cap. So if you decide to wear a cap, either wear something that matches your skin tone, or honestly you could go with a black cap and it'll still look perfect. As you guys can see, I don't have any cons of this hair. I mean, what is there not to love about Miss Morgan? I mean, everything about her is super cute. She is super laid, okay? I didn't have to add any heat to her at all, and she is just fitting and sitting and just laying, okay? Like, sis is A1 right now. And I love the density on this unit as well. I'm not the biggest fan of kind of silky kind of hair, but this one I'm really loving, because one, the density is amazing. It looks really natural, and the luster is not high on her, and plus she fits my head. So what is there not to love about Miss Morgan? I mean, I would say she's definitely a good buy. She's definitely a must-have, and I'm going to link this unit down below, of course. Okay, make sure you guys join gang to see when your girl drops some heat or whatever, and I'll see you dolls back in next one.